Good morning, trader. This is G-TT. I trust that you are well. This is just a quick review on the actual trades we've taken on the G-TT ALGO. Now, all of my trades are based on daily time frames. The reason for this is I do not want to be in the market every day, so I will wait patiently for my algo to give me confirmation to enter the market, and I need to be a lot more patient because the market does move a bit slower on the actual daily time frames. So with that said, let's just run through some of the actual charts. Euro USD, no trades. Euro GBP, I've entered a short, so I'm expecting the market to continue to the downside. Euro Swiss franc, short position as well. So again, expecting the market to continue to the downside. And then on the Euro Aussie dollar, I bought the euro a few days ago, and as we can see that the market did create a pullback. It did not hit my stop loss. So what I will be doing is I will be monitoring this trade on a daily basis, because my algo did give me a warning that the market will reverse to the downside. So this might be a losing trade, or this might be a break-even trade, but again, I will monitor this trade on a daily basis. Euro JPY, nothing. And then on the Euro CAD, I went short on the Euro CAD this morning, so I'm expecting the market to push to the downside. Then on the Euro New Zealand dollar, as we can see that the market pushed higher, I have entered this market and I have moved my stop loss to break even. The reason for that is because price is quite high, and this is what I teach during my training as well, so I'm not going to go through a lot of details. Then on the GBP USD, I went long, so as we can see there's a slight pullback, but I am expecting the market to continue to the upside. GBP Swiss franc, same scenario, expecting the market to continue to the upside. Same with GBP JPY, GBP CAD, same scenario. And then GBP Aussie dollar, nothing at the moment. I am looking for a confirmation to enter this market. I'm just waiting for the algo to inform me to go long. And then GBP New Zealand dollar, as we can see that I have actually closed one position yesterday. I have a second trade still open, and as we can see it's a risk-free trade, so this will be my runner. And this is something that I teach during my training as well. I give you some tricks in the market that is quite helpful when you get started with trading. Then on the USD Swiss franc, nothing at the moment. Yes, I do have quite a few currency pairs. USD JPY, expecting the market to continue to the downside. USD CAD, nothing at the moment. As we can see, there is a slight pullback in the market, but due to my algo saying that the market is in an upward trend, I'm not going to go short. Aussie USD, I've shorts in this position. Aussie JPY, nothing. And then on the Aussie CAD, as we can see, I've entered short, so I'm expecting the market to push to the downside, but I will keep my eye on this actual trade, because as we can see there is a slight sideways movement taking place on this actual currency pair. And then on the Aussie Swiss franc, I've entered a short, and as we can see the market did create a slight pullback, but let's see how this actual trade will turn out. And then on New Zealand USD, as we can see that the market pushed it to the downside, very strong downward trend movement. I will monitor this trade, and I might move my stop losses to break even a bit sooner, but again I will monitor this trade on a daily basis. New Zealand JPY, nothing at the moment. New Zealand CAD, very nice trade. I've entered multiple positions, so by the looks of it, it will reach take profit 1, and then my second trade will move to break even. That will be set as a runner. New Zealand Swiss franc, nothing. And let's have a look on USD CAD and gold. There's no trades as far as I remember. And that is all the trades that I've taken on the actual G-TT algo. This is me, G-TT. Thank you for watching.